तो तेज बर्तमान आम जोरसोर आमर सन्ध्यार बाकी सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम आरंभ करवा आम कि समय विलंब आरंभ करूँ तो तेज मु अनुरोध करी यही जो सांस्कृतिक संघ आज आम बसई पार्छू ओडिया यूथ क्लब यार पछरे जो मैंने सब अच्छा जन जन डाक चाहिए से मुहर मुझे शुणा चाहिए इनफैक्ट आम समस्ते शुणा चाहिए कि से मिशन कौन से कई भाई से आरंभ करते तो मुझे प्रथम सीतांशु को अनुरोध करी मंच उपरको आसवाई सीतांशु होती ओडिया यूथ क्लब एडवाइजर आउ दिन राति परिश्रम करती जगन्नाथ मंदिर देख मंदिर पाखे देख जिते बड़े देख से जगन्नाथ मंदिर चारिपाख लगे पड़े सीतांशु आपको किसी शुणा चाहिए माइक यूज करो
सुब्रत भाई प्रथम श्री जगन्नाथ चरण में मोर प्रणति जन आज शुभ संध्या को ओडिशा यूथ प्रथम सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम को शुभारंभ करने भगवान पाखे अनुरोध करुँच जो संध्या सक्सेसफुल हो आमर शह शह आम जो मेंबर अच्छा समस्त जो उद्योग सक्सेसफुल हो सो I may be excused that I'll be using both English and Odia because we have very eminent personalities from across different states and they won't be able to understand Odia. So please excuse me because I'll be using both English and Odia. So please excuse me. And being an advisor or being a founder, I want to. I got this. I am honored to tell you all the mission and vision of Odisha Youth and why it has been started. So that is and the annual report. So Odisha Youth Seva Trust is a organization. So the word T for trust. When the T goes, it becomes trust. So we have the responsibility to the society, and we want to tell the annual report that whatever the trust has, our society has on us. We have how far we have reached in that. That is our motto. We will every year in this function we will tell what is our mission and vision and how far we have achieved. I will tell you the history way back 5 or 6 years. 2008 it got started and it got a name after some time. But 2008 we gathered some like-minded people. I'll tell you my personal experience when I had come to Bangalore in looking for job. I have lost my identity. When people ask me where I am from, I said I am from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. They asked me which state is that. So I got surprised. I said Odisha and Bhubaneswar, and people are asking where is Odisha, which state is that. So I lost my identity. Whether there is a direct train, whether you come from Calcutta or like that questions. So I remembered my father was saying that Odisha is a state which is renowned for the Lord Jagannath, Jagataranatha. So he has explained me that तमे देखिथिबो बाटरे शिव भली रूप धरिकी like God Shiva, people were changed themselves to be Lord Shiva, and Hanuman, they were asking for money or they were preaching that. But have you ever seen anyone becoming like Lord Jagannath? Have you ever seen anyone cutting their legs and cutting their hands and they have become Jagannath? No, never. That is so. Jagannath is like that. So that is why our state is famous for. But there is a surprise I experienced in Bangalore. Then I found the soft power is not only religion in the 21st century. The soft power is sports, technology. You have seen one name I will cite. Samanta Chandrasekhar Sinha Samant Harichandan Mahapatra. He is Pathani Samant. The title he has got from the British because of his exemplary work in astronomical sector. But that is the soft power in technology, in sports, in India like Bollywood and politics. That is why people know outside India, people know us. Like the same thing like in same area in 21st century, those are the soft power for us. So we have to work on that sector, not only religious activity. That is the reason why like-minded people like Odisha Youth, it got a name. But the people behind that, they are gathered with the same theme to encourage the youth to propagate Odisha. Like in sports, we have Jai Vigyan initiative. We are educating computer. We are literate in computer in government schools in Bangalore. We have organizing other with associating with other organizations, organizing blood donation camp. So that is the soft power. That is the soft power in the 21st century. That is where Odisha youth is working on with the like-minded people. So the officially we started in 2010. The man who believed in this and who trusted on us is also among us here, Mr. Nihar Samantra. So he believed on us, he helped us to go to the next stage. So he had helped us in organizing Odisha Premier League, the first edition. Mr. Ashirwad Behra, the Secretary of Odisha Cricket Association, had come, and we are delighted after 5 years. We are here. Ranjib sir, the OD son of the OD father, late Vasant Biswal, Deputy Chief Minister of Odisha, he is here. He is letting us being proud, being the chief chairman of IPL. He is here after the 5th edition, and Odisha youth is really proud to have you, sir. And let me go back to the achievements. We have done a lot of things in last 5 years. Consistently, we have organized Odisha Premier Leagues, and we have organized different blood donation camps, Jai Vigyan initiative. So this is how our achievement till date, and we have many more things to achieve. We are organizing some Mr. Odia, Miss Odia, and Little Champ Odia in the subsequent 15th August edition that will be inaugurated in this function. This is our vision. So we have gathered all our associations in Bangalore, Odisha Cultural Association, Odisha Puja Committee, Odisha Without Border, and many OCTC, and many more organizations and their members and their senior members. So we are thankful to them. We want your hand. We want your guidance to go ahead with our fresh legs. Thank you all for coming, and please let us go ahead and making the soft power and showing the world. Thank you.